What happened to xCraft drones after Shark Tank? In 2015, two inventors, J.D. Claridge and Charles Manning, introduced their innovative drone company, xCraft, on Shark Tank. They sought a $500,000 investment for a 20% share of their business, valuing xCraft at $2.5 million. Their unique product, the X+1 drone, could take off like a helicopter and fly like an airplane, reaching speeds up to 60 miles per hour and altitudes of 10,000 feet. They showed off the drone live in the tank. It flew right in and amazed everyone. It cost about $400 to make, but they sold it for $1,899, which meant they could make a good profit. JD and Charles also showed a second product, Phone Drone Ethos, a smaller drone powered by a smartphone. It was cheaper, with a price of $300, made for regular people, not just experts. JD Claridge worked in airplanes and saw a problem. Drones could hover in place but were slow, while planes could fly fast but couldn't stay in one spot. So he built a new kind of flying machine called X+1, a drone that flies and hovers. It's great for filming fast cars or flying far without stopping. Kevin O'Leary made the first offer, $750,000 for 25% of the business. Then Damon John said $1 million for 25%, and Laurie Greiner offered $1 million for 20%. It turned into a mini bidding war, and the company's valuation jumped to $5 million in minutes. All the sharks wanted a piece of xCraft. JD and Charles had a bold idea. They asked all 5 sharks to join together. They wanted $1.5 million total, with each shark getting 5% of the company. The sharks agreed, effectively valuing the company at $6 million. It became one of the biggest deals ever made on the show. But here's something not many people know. Not every Shark Tank deal actually happens. After the cameras stop, they go into real business talks. Some deals fall apart, and sadly, the xCraft deal didn't go through. But that didn't stop them. After the episode aired, so many people visited their website, xCraft became famous overnight. They raised $170,000 on Kickstarter, way more than their goal of $100,000, and later raised more than $4.4 million from crowdfunding. They also stopped selling to regular customers. Instead, they began making special drones for big companies, construction sites, police, and even the US military. Today, xCraft is worth about $17 million, way more than they were on Shark Tank. They now have 6 drone models. Their drones help with things like mapping, safety, and defense. The company makes about $5 million in sales each year. xCraft didn't need a shark to succeed. The company used their TV appearance to boost sales, grow their product line, and bring in new investors. They started as a fun drone company and turned into a serious business with high-tech tools and a big market share. Even without a final deal, xCraft is flying high.